Now we will study about part 6, elements of group 16, 17 and 18. Right. So today topic is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. So its chemical formula is H2SO4. Right. So basically I have told you that for a compound, first we will study about the preparation. Next one is its physical property. Next one is its chemical properties. Right. Then next one is its uses. So for sulfuric acid, we will study about the preparation of sulfuric acid. So write the topic name is preparation of sulfuric acid. Right. So sulfuric acid is manufactured by contact process, which involves the 3 steps. Right. So it is prepared by contact process, right? So it follows the 3 steps. In contact process, there are total 3 steps. 3 steps are there, right? So first one is when sulfur is treated with O2, that is called combustion of sulfur, right? So it forms SO2 gas, right? So now next one is when iron sulfide ApH2 react with 11 molecules of O2. In presence of 4 moles of iron sulfide, it forms Fe2O3. Right? Ferric oxide is formed and 8 moles of SO2 is formed. Right? So you can see in both the cases we are getting SO2. Right? By the direct burning of sulfur, that is called combustion, and by using sulfur dioxide. Right. Next one is your second step. So this one is first step. Right. Next one is when sulfur dioxide is oxidized catalytically with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. Right. When sulfur dioxide reacts in the presence of oxygen with vanadium pentoxide. So this is your vanadium pentoxide. So it will form sulfur trioxide. SO3 will form. So its name is sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide. This is your sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. So this is a reversible reaction or exothermic. Forward reaction lead to decrease in volume. Therefore, low temperature, high pressure is favorable. Okay? So this is your exothermic reaction when we are preparing sulfur trioxide. So this is your exothermic reaction. Right. So write the favorable condition. So it happens at low temperature and high pressure. So it is high pressure of 2 bar. Low temperature at, so its temperature is at about 720 Kelvin. Right. So this one is your second step. Now listen for third one. Sulfur trioxide is absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid to produce Olam. So next one is when sulfur trioxide react with sulfuric acid H2SO4. So it forms H2H2O7. So this is called Olam. Right. Now Olam is treated with water. So when H2H2O7 react with water, it forms sulfuric acid. Pure sulfuric acid you will get, right, after passing with water. So this is called contact process. So there are basically 3 steps. This one is your first to form the sulfur dioxide. Next one is your when it is passed with the oxygen, more oxygen in presence of V2O5, it forms SO3, right, sulfur trioxide. And when sulfur trioxide reacts with the H2SO form, it forms Olam, right. So these are the 3 steps for contact process. So when you are asked the question, you should write these 3 steps. So write it down. I will make a diagram for you. First write this one. ठीक है, अभी देखो फ्लो चार्ट फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, फ्लो डायग्राम लिख लो। flow diagram for manufacturing of sulfuric acid. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट देखो, एक कंटेनर है, ठीक है, यहाँ से पास करना है SO2, ठीक है। तो ये बर्नर है तुम्हारा, साथ साथ में बनाओ, इसमें कुछ है नहीं समझने के लिए। जो रिएक्शन लिखा हो बस उसको डायग्राम के फॉर्म में बनाना, ठीक है। तो ये तुम्हारा सल्फर है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। इसको बर्न करना है ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में, ये तुम्हारा सल्फर हो गया, ठीक है। तो यहाँ से तुम एयर पास करोगे या ऑक्सीजन पास करेंगे, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा सल्फर बर्नर, दिस इज योर सल्फर बर्नर, राइट। So it will form impure sulfur dioxide here. So it is impure SO2 plus O2. Right. So next it will pass through the dust precipitator. So this is your dust precipitator. Dust precipitator. So बस स्क्वायर बनाना, रेक्टेंगल जैसा, राइट। So this is your wastewater. Wastewater come from here, so it is your wastewater. Washing and cooling tower. So this one is called washing and cooling tower. Washing and cooling tower. So again it is passed with so this is your waste acid coming out from here. So this is your drawing tower. This is your drawing tower. Waste acid. This is concentrated sulfuric acid. So this will act as a spray, and from it sulfuric acid is coming out, right. So there is dryer now. So this is dry SO2 plus O2, right. It is passed with the arsenic purifier containing granitic hydrated ferric acid. So this is your arsenic purifier, right, containing gaseous hydrated, right. Then we can get the column direct, ठीक है. So you can write directly also or make some diagram for V2O5. So this is your V2O5, right, catalyst converter, catalytic converter, and again we are getting sulfuric acid in form of column H2SO, H2H2O7 we get, right. So make the diagram. Next point is physical properties of sulfuric acid. So next is physical properties of H2SO4, ठीक है. So first is sulfuric acid is colorless, dense, oily liquid. So first point is it is colorless, dense, oily liquid. Next one is it has a density of 1.84. It has a density of 1.84 gram per centimeter cube at 298 Kelvin. Next, it freezes at 283 Kelvin. Next point is it freezes at 283 Kelvin and boils at 611 Kelvin. Next one is it is highly corrosive and produce several burns on the screen. It is highly corrosive and produce several burns on skin. ठीक है, this is your physical properties of sulfuric acid. Now look at the chemical properties with which sulfuric acid reacts. So next one is your chemical properties.
Recording will be stopped. Call आ रहा है सर.
911 जियो स्पैम
Geo
छोड़
spam.
डिक्लाइन काट दो
करना.
क्या है
हाँ चालू है बोलो.
ठीक है, next one is chemical properties of H2SO4. So first is its acidic nature. As we know, sulfuric acid is acid, so it will show the acidic property. So when it reacts with water, it forms hydronium ion H3O plus. So this is called hydronium ion. And it forms HSO4 minus. So here its K is greater than 10. K is equilibrium constant of the acid. It is
इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट ऑफ एसिड
constant of acid.
के
Right. So see here, I will explain this reaction as suppose H2SO4 is there, right? So it liberates one hydrogen in first step, so it will form H plus and SO4 1 minus, right? So this H plus go with the H2O. So there is lone pair in oxygen atom, so it will combine with this. So this oxygen atom giving the hydrogen electron, so it will form H3O plus, right? And this will remain as it is, right? So here HSO4 minus is this, HSO4 minus. So now in second step, this is your first step for acidic nature. Now again I will use this product, yes Pal, HSO4 minus, one hydrogen is remaining here, right? So again in second step it will give H plus and SO4 2 minus is formed, right? So this H plus will react with H2O plus, H2O, right? There is two lone pair, right, present in oxygen atom. So this will combine and form H3O plus. This is again hydronium ion. So you can see in first step it is producing one hydrogen, and in second step it is also producing one hydrogen. So it is dibasic acid. So in second step K is 1.2, 10 raised to minus 2. So write it down. अगर मैं ये दोनों को ऐड करता हूँ फर्स्ट स्टेप एंड सेकंड स्टेप, तो दिस पार्ट इज कैंसल विद दिस ना, राइट? because this is your intermediate reaction. You have studied in chemical kinetics, right?
Yes.
So now add left hand side, so it will be H2SO4, and right side you will get 2 moles of H3O plus. So this is your one, and next one is this one. So it will be 2 H3O plus, right? And next one is SO4 2 minus, right? So this is your final reactant, and this is your final product. So it is basically dibasic acid because we are getting 2 H3O plus, na? So sulfuric acid is dibasic acid. चलो लिख लो फटाफट।
बात नहीं सर
चलो देखो, इसको मैं एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। सी हियर H2SO4 है, राइट? एक बार अगर H देगा तो बाहर आएगा HSO4 माइनस, ठीक है? एक प्लस एक माइनस है, ठीक है ना? एक ही हाइड्रोजन दिया है, तो इसको मैं फिर से लूंगा सेकंड स्टेप में कि उसके पास फिर से एसिडिक नेचर बच रहा है SO4 माइनस, ठीक है? तो ये क्या देगा? H प्लस और SO4 2 माइनस। पहले से एक माइनस था तो एक और माइनस आएगा ना, तो इसलिए 2 माइनस हो गया।
माइनस
समझा
माइनस
अभी?
प्लस प्लस नहीं हो जाएगा।
नहीं, ये टूटेगा तो प्लस, और ये माइनस ऑलरेडी था तो एक और माइनस बढ़ेगा ना। देखो यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस में टूटा, तो यही फिर से माइनस में प्लस में टूट रहा है ना, ठीक है? अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो इसको मिटा दो,
ओ और एस ना,
ठीक है? तो H प्लस आया और एक माइनस आएगा, तो एक माइनस ऑलरेडी था ना उसके ऊपर,
अच्छा
तो कितना माइनस हो जाएगा? तो SO4 2 माइनस हो गया ना, समझा क्या? अभी ऐड कर दो, तो ये जो कट होता है उसको बोलते हैं इंटरमीडिएट रिएक्शन। इंटरमीडिएट रिएक्शन, ठीक है? ऐड कर दो तो ये क्या मिलेगा? H2SO4 ऐड करो तो ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे आपस में, 2H आएगा
प्लस
SO4 2
2
माइनस,
माइनस,
ठीक है? तो ये तुम्हारा एडिशन ऑफ रिएक्शन भी बोलते हैं, चाहे ओवरऑल रिएक्शन। यही तो केमिकल काइनेटिक्स में पढ़ते थे, 2 रिएक्शन को ऐड करके एक फाइनल रिएक्शन मिलेगा। चलो लिख लो फटाफट, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट देखो, नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे हम लोग रिएक्शन विद मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल, ठीक है? तो अभी नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन है रिएक्शन विद मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल, राइट? सो देखो, इसको ऑक्सीडाइजिंग नेचर भी बोलते हैं या ऑक्सीडाइजिंग प्रॉपर्टी, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग प्रॉपर्टी, ठीक है? तो देखो, metals and non-metal are oxidized by hot concentrated sulfuric acid. So see, when copper react with sulfuric acid, it forms copper sulfate, right? And it produce SO2, and H2 is formed. So this is your copper metal, this is your sulfuric acid, this is your copper sulfate, copper sulfate. Next one is, see, now look at the next reaction. When sulfur, more sulfur react with sulfuric acid, बात नहीं करो, so it will form 3SO2 plus 2H2O, right? Next one is when carbon react with sulfuric acid, it forms CO2 plus SO2 plus H2O. So now balance it. So it will be 2H2SO4 producing 2SO2 and 2 moles of water, right? So this is the reaction with metal. So carbon reacts with H2SO4, it forms CO2, SO2 and H2O. ठीक है? This is the oxidizing nature of sulfuric acid. So now see the next nature, dehydrating property. So next property is dehydrating. Dehydrating property. Dehydrating means removal of water. Dehydration मतलब when we lose water from your body, so it is the removal of water. Suppose we are taking C12H22O11, it is called sucrose, ना?
C6 glucose.
नहीं C12H22 सुक्रोज हो गया,
Sucrose,
आज ही बात,
right? So we are using here concentrated H2SO4, it forms 12 carbon and we are getting water molecules, right? 11 molecules we get of water.
yes,
So sucrose is reduced by concentrated sulfuric acid, right? Because basically in sucrose, OH group is there, alcohol is there, right?
Yes.
So next is reaction with salt. So this is your third one. Next one is reaction
Salt.
with salt. So when salt react with sulfuric acid, what it forms? It show the NaHSO4. Sodium hydrogen sulfate is formed and HCl is formed. So next potassium nitrate reacts with sulfuric acid. So potassium hydrogen sulfate and HNO3 is formed. Now we are taking calcium phosphate. It reacts with H2SO form and forms calcium sulfate plus 2HF. So write the reaction with metals. So this is the reaction with the salt. So these are the types of salt. ये लिख लो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. Uses of sulfuric acid, page number 154. Uses of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. तो फर्स्ट देखो क्या है. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंडस्ट्रियल केमिकल. तो ये क्या है तुम्हारा इंडस्ट्री में हम लोग यूज करते हैं सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड फॉर द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर. सो लिख लो इट इज यूज्ड फॉर मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ fertilizers. ठीक है. Example is fertilizer name is ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Next one is superphosphate. Superphosphate.
Super.
Next is manufacture of pigments, paints and drying stuff intermediate. In manufacture of pigments, paints and dye stuff intermediates. Next one is it is also used for the refining of petroleum. Next one is it is used for refining of petroleum. Next one is in detergent industry. It is used in detergent industry. Next is in metallurgy for cleaning of metals like electroplating and galvanizing. So next one in metallurgy for cleaning metals. In metallurgy
Quenching. हाथोड़ा मारने के बाद
For cleaning metals. Like we use electroplating. In electroplating we use sulfuric acid and in galvanizing. Right. And we also use sulfuric acid in battery, right?
Yes.
Right?
कार्स की बैटरी में
That is called accumulator,
वही रहता है.
right? As a
accumulate करना,
storage.
इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी accumulate करके
It is also used as a laboratory reagent. Next one is for in the storage of battery. Storage batteries. Next one is the manufacture of nitrocellulose products. In nitrocellulose product.
बोलो प्रैक्टिकल मैथ नहीं.
Written everyone?
Yes.
So now we will study about chlorine and its compound. So next one is chlorine and its compound. So see first for chlorine. Chlorine was discovered by Skele, German chemist in 1774. So there is a scientist, German scientist whose name is S.J.
Shield.
Right?
टाइम पे बोले
Shield.
ठीक है? So first we will see about the preparation of chlorine, how it is prepared. So first magnesium dioxide pass with the sulfuric acid. Magnesium dioxide when pass with HCl, it forms magnesium chloride and chlorine gas plus H2O. So balance it. So it will be 2H2O. Right? So magnesium oxide acts as a oxidizing agent here. So it is basically nothing but oxidizing agent. Next one is potassium permanganate. So this is first one. Next oxidizing agent is potassium permanganate. So 2KMnO4 react with 16 mole of HCl, produce 2 KCl plus 2 MnCl2 plus 8 H2O plus chlorine gas is given out. So here KMnO4 potassium permanganate is oxidizing agent. Potassium
Permanganate.
permanganate. लिख लो फिर मैं नेक्स्ट बताता हूँ. ठीक है, देखो नेक्स्ट प्रिपरेशन मेथड है तो दो स्टेप्स में होता है. देखो 4NaCl react with sulfuric acid 4H2SO4, it forms 4NaHSO4 with 4HCl, right? And next is magnesium oxide. बात नहीं करो. When react with 4 moles of HCl, it forms MnCl2 plus 2H2O. Then it forms chlorine. Right. Now add these two reactions. शांति में रखो. So ये दो स्टेप का रिएक्शन है. NaCl plus H2SO4 करके हम लोग HCl बनाते हैं. फिर HCl का यूज करते हैं मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड के साथ क्या प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए? क्लोरीन गैस. ठीक है, तो अभी ऐड कर लो लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट के साथ, राइट को राइट के साथ. तो ये इसके साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा.
HCl गया.
तो क्या मिलेगा बताओ? 4NaCl
plus
4H2SO4
plus
plus
MnO2
next MnO2
is equal to
producing MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus
4NaHSO4.
Good.
वो NaHSO4 किधर गया? ऊपर वाला.
Right, as a product NaHSO4. So this is the overall reaction for producing chlorine gas. Next is Decon process. Next process is Decon process. Decon. So when 4 moles of HCl react with oxygen in presence of copper chloride, it forms 2Cl2 plus 2H2O. This is called Decon's process. ठीक है? Rispal. Next one is electrolysis process. Next one is electrolysis process. तो देखो NaCl को अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में पास करें तो Na प्लस एंड Cl माइनस मिलेगा, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन इज कैथोड. देखो H2O plus 2 minus produce H2 plus 2OH minus hydroxide ion, and when it reacts with Na plus and OH minus, it forms NaOH. ठीक है, तो ये कैथोड पे हो गया. नेक्स्ट है एनोड पे. Next one is anode.
Anode.
देख लो Cl minus, it forms Cl and one electron will come out, so it is losing the electron, right? So
Yes,
it is
sir.
it is oxidation, loss of electron. And when chlorine atom combine with chlorine, it forms Cl2 gas. So this is the preparation method of chlorine. Write it down, then we will study physical properties.